A fire can be one of the most devastating events a homeowner experiences. Beyond the immediate destruction, it leaves behind emotional scars and logistical challenges. But with the right approach and expert guidance, your home can be restored to its original beauty, or even better. At Oceanfront Builders, we specialize in restoring fire-damaged homes, helping you rebuild and reimagine your space to meet your needs for today and the future. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process, from handling insurance claims and understanding regulations, to tackling restoration challenges and incorporating modern upgrades. The first step in restoring your fire-damaged home is assessing the extent of the damage. This involves both structural and cosmetic evaluations. Key actions to take immediately. 1. Contact your insurance company. Notify your provider as soon as possible to start the claims process. Document the damage with photos and videos focusing on every affected area. 2. Hire a licensed inspector. An inspector will assess the structural integrity of your home, identifying issues like weakened foundations, compromised framing, and smoke damage. 3. Secure the property. Board up windows, doors, and other openings to prevent further damage from weather or vandalism. Common areas affected by fire damage. Structural components like roofs, walls, and foundations may need reinforcement or complete replacement. Electrical and plumbing systems. High heat can melt wiring and damage pipes, necessitating a full inspection. Smoke and soot residue. These can penetrate walls, ceilings, and ventilation systems, causing long-term odors and health hazards. Dealing with insurance claims can be overwhelming, but it's a crucial part of restoring your home. Here are some tips to maximize your benefits and streamline the process. Key steps in handling insurance claims. 1. Understand your policy. Review your homeowner's insurance policy to understand coverage limits, exclusions, and whether temporary housing is included. 2. Document everything. Provide detailed records including photos and videos of the damage, a comprehensive inventory of destroyed or damaged items, and receipts for temporary repairs or living expenses. 3. Work with an adjuster. Your insurance company will send an adjuster to evaluate the damage. Be present during the inspection to ensure nothing is overlooked. 4. Consider a public adjuster. If you're not satisfied with the insurance company's offer, hiring a public adjuster can help you negotiate a fair settlement. Using insurance money wisely. Allocate funds first to essential structural repairs. Plan for potential out-of-pocket costs for upgrades or changes beyond your policy's coverage. Restoring a fire-damaged home comes with unique challenges. Understanding these hurdles can help you prepare and make informed decisions. Common challenges. 1. Hidden damage. Smoke and soot can seep into walls and ceilings, requiring extensive cleaning and sealing. 2. Water damage from firefighting efforts. Water used to extinguish the fire can lead to mold and mildew if not properly addressed. And 3. Permits and approvals. Restoration often requires permits, especially if you're rebuilding parts of the structure or upgrading systems. Pro tips for overcoming challenges. Hire fire restoration specialists. These professionals have the tools and expertise to handle smoke and water damage effectively. Invest in air quality improvements. Use HEPA filters and dehumidifiers to eliminate lingering odors and moisture. Plan for code upgrades. Modern building codes may require upgrades to insulation, wiring, and safety features. Restoring your home is an opportunity to return it to its original beauty, or enhance it with modern updates. Here's how we approach this process. Key restoration steps. 1. Rebuilding the structure. Replace damaged framing, roofing, and walls with durable materials. 2. Restoring original details. For historic or character-rich homes, salvage undamaged elements like moldings, doors, or fixtures to preserve authenticity. And 3. Custom paint and finishes. Use high-quality fire-resistant paints and finishes to replicate or enhance the home's original appearance, incorporating modern upgrades. Energy efficiency. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows insulation and HVAC systems. Fire-resistant materials. Use materials like metal roofing, fire-resistant siding, and tempered glass for windows. Smart technology. Add smart smoke detectors, sprinkler systems, and home automation for enhanced safety and convenience. A fire may have damaged your home, but it also gives you the chance to reimagine it for the future. Many homeowners use this opportunity to create a space that's not only beautiful but also more functional and resilient. Ideas for future-ready homes: open concept layouts, redesign spaces to improve flow and maximize natural light, outdoor living spaces, incorporate fire-resistant landscaping and outdoor features like patios or pergolas, home offices and flex spaces. Adapt your home to meet modern lifestyle needs such as remote work, designing with resilience in mind. Create defensible space by clearing vegetation around the home. Install ember-resistant vents to prevent flying embers from entering. Use landscaping with native fire-resistant plants. Restoring a fire-damaged home is a journey, but with the right team and approach, it's a chance to rebuild something truly special. At Oceanfront Builders, we're here to guide you through every step, from handling insurance claims to reimagining your space for the future. Ready to bring your home back to life? Call 888-336-8586 or visit oceanfront.builders to schedule your consultation. Together, we'll restore your home and create a space where memories can flourish once again.